for me to add value to the party. And no doubt, as she's entering into the party in Northern West, we are pushing on to victory in all the elections for all the PDP candidates in the election in Northern West. Your Excellency is Honorable Mrs. Inumidun,
that everybody has always identified me with. I'm right here before you to decamp to PDP. PDP to win the next election from the presidential in our West. I think today I would say it's my happiest day because I've always wanted to be where he is. I know he's a pillar in a donut and a very truthful and straightforward man that will not just listen to lies and believe in lies. Somebody that will hear something and will say, oh, how did it happen? I want to hear the truth. He's that type of person. And it's one man I've always believed in, no matter what. I like people who believe in truth. And that's the man that is here today, our Deputy Governor, Comm with Shaibu. No matter what people say outside, you get close to the person. You don't look at the back of the book and just take a conclusion on it. Those of us that are close to him, we know who he is. And today, I'm back to him. I'm very happy. Thank you very much. My chairman, present chairman, I want to thank you and I want to appreciate you. You know me very well. You married my sister from Uzala. And we have always worked together with Abulagba. Abulagba is also a father to me and a friend. That's why I'm here today. We've discussed several times and he always tell me, my sister, why not come and join us? Leave those people, come, that place no fit you. So I've come to the place that befits me.
With her coming, we are sure of winning the local government. Better than we did before. Not only in Ozala, but in every other one, because he has followership. I want to thank her today, most especially His Excellency that made it possible today. We are happy to work with you. We are happy to be your followers. I will follow you anywhere you tell us to go. The kind of person, and you will see our performances in this election.
My sister, Chief Inumidun, to PDP this morning. That my sister has just been lonely where she is all this while. Because no matter what she is doing there, whatever she will do there, and even the word she will not do there, they will attribute it to have discussed with me before she does anything there. Even when we are not talking, they just believe for Inumidun to do this, deputy hand must be in it. So actually, I've been using one eye to be looking at her to say how she's faring there, because there's no way you can be trusted there. So far, I'm not there, because they'll just believe anything you do there, Shaibu hand inside. And because she's very, very bold, she's somebody that doesn't take nonsense. She says it to your face. You can decide whatever you want to decide. She has said it, she's moving on. But that she will not talk when things are bad, forget it. She must say her own. And when you have a system where truth cannot prevail, obviously that is not the kind of place you want to stay. And so actually I've been watching and watching, praying that something will just trigger them to say one or two things, and she will say, look, bye-bye to you.
That's exactly what happened.
And God answered my prayer, and she's back. So I want to assure you that we have always worked together, and we understand each other, and we know our boundaries, and we know what we want to achieve. And what is happening in Edo today is that the progressive Democrats are coming back together.
Yes.
We have been separated for a long time. Now we have realized that the genuine Democrats, we are those that masquerade as Democrat to be supported to do things. We are now seeing their real color, that they were not actually Democrats. They actually belong to the autocratic setting where everything starts and ends with them. We are seeing it now. And that is why collectively now, all of us, the progressive Democrats, are now coming together, which you are one of them. And more are coming. With your coming in now, others definitely will follow. I told somebody, I said, look, what is about to happen in Nigeria, starting from our own senatorial district, is like minds coming to say enough is enough. We wanted change. Some people masqueraded as the change we thought we were looking for. And we were deceived into thinking they were the actual change that we needed. Now we have discovered that they are even worse than what we wanted. 2023 is our deciding year to rediscover ourselves and rescue Nigeria, genuinely rescue Nigeria, and return to democratic rule, where the interests of the vast majority of our people will be the issue in the front burner. So I want to welcome you to PDP. I want to welcome you to your family, because we have history.
Yes.
You just told one history now. Beyond your in-law, how we have worked together to deliver Prof. We broke the jinx. We were interested in doing one thing for Prof. Not just for him to win. Our target, prayer, we prayed, we put in all our effort, money, strength, energy, just everything, including prayer. We were doing novena, doing fasting to deliver Prof. And what was that thing we wanted to break, the jinx we wanted to break? They say he doesn't win election.
Exactly.
They say he has been cursed, he cannot win election. And we say that even if it was a cause of father to son, that we're going to break curse from father to son, that curse, wherever it's coming from, we are going to break it. So we returned to God, fasted and prayed, and we were on the streets. We were on the street, local government by local government, ward by ward, community by community, up to interest group. I remember those interest groups.
Yes,
we were now going,
many of them.
We were now meeting them.
Yes.
And some of them, every of his campaign, we were starting with prayer.
Yes.
Before we deliver message, end with prayers. And God help us, we were able to break that jinx. And we won. And after won, there was peace, and that jinx was broken. But when he got to ASO Rep, the first motion he moved was against Edo State.
Yes. Very well.
First motion Prof moved was against Edo State, that National Assembly should come and take over our state assembly. That was the first motion Prof moved. So when he moved that motion, I said, okay, now I know why this jinx was there. I said, okay, this is the jinx that was there, and we didn't see it. Then we'll have allowed it to continue. You know, but as God will do it, you can see that motion actually brought him down, because you cannot fight your people and survive. You can't fight your people and survive. There's no way. A masquerade does not fight in his home. A masquerade that fights in his home loses his potency. And he has lost that potency, obviously, because he started fighting at home. So we just thank God. I am so excited. Just like your name is, my belly is sweet. So once again, welcome. It's time to work. And I can, like Chairman said, and our Abuja Direct, if we were to win with 2 margins, with your coming in now, the margin will be far wider, because I know your interests, and I know your reach, and I know your capability, and I know who you are. And when it comes to when you want to achieve, you go all out. And I want to just thank God for your life. Thank God that you came out there ill and healthy. And together, I can assure you that together we will deliver all our candidates, from presidency to Senate to House of Rep to House of Assembly, to the glory of God. Amen. Thank you. The national chairman of our party and the state chairman of our party, PDP, I give you this umbrella to the glory of God. And as you join us, by the grace of God, we shall grow from strength to strength. Amen. And the victory shall be ours from presidency to Senate to House of Rep to House of Assembly. Amen.
As a person, I feel very happy, knowing fully well that my sister, who has just joined us, Honorable Inumidun, is a big political figure, not only in Nonwan West, but in the state at large. Former Commissioner for Women Affairs in the state, and I know with her coming in, the election is already won in Nonwan West. I'm very convinced that with her organizational ability, that her coming is going to add value, and that PDP will win with very wide margin in Nonwan West. My message to the people of Nonwan Federal Constituency is that they should not lose hope. After the despair we have had a representative that did not relate back to the people of Nonwan Federal Constituency. We are going to go there and make the people of Nonwan very proud.
Today is my happiest day. You know, when you are in a place where you don't feel happy, you don't feel comfortable, you begin to, every day you look sad. But today I will tell you, I'm very happy to be a member of the PDP family. The reason is that the PDP is a well-organized party. When I say well-organized party, a party that knows what it takes to organize the main democracy they are talking about. When you say democracy, is to reach out to the people. To reach out to the people and to bring everybody together as one. There's no discrimination. Forget about what is happening between the PDPs now. They are one family. I will tell you, they all come together as one. And they work stronger. That is just PDP for you. Unlike where I was coming from, I will tell you, that one at a time, somebody told us that we are not doing politics in Edo. What we are doing is just one individual. I don't want to mention him. So, me, I don't want to belong to that caliber of people who just focus on one person and begin to do that person and they say they are doing politics. I want to focus on real democracy and be part of the progressive. Because I will tell you, the present PDP we have in Edo, they are progressive people, and I don't want to be backward. I want to be among the progressive. That's why I come today. My message to Edo people is this. They should all come out and vote for all the PDP candidates in Edo State. Because I believe that PDP will make a difference. We know from the past, they will say both political party, PDP and APC, did not do well. Well, if you look at the former dispensation of Jonathan, the suffering was not as bad as this. But as of today, what the people are passing through is hell. So I will tell you, the candidates will do well in their various positions, and Nigeria will experience the real democracy they really needed.